आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question says that an insect bite may result in the inflammation of that spot. This is triggered by the alarm chemicals such as. So in the question we are given that a insect bite and it result in the inflammation, and it asks that the alarm chemicals that triggered this. So first we see the option first. It says that histamine and dopamine. So in the option 1 we have given that histamine and the dopamine. Here the histamine is the main, it is the main vasodilator. It is the main vasodilator, that is histamine, and it is used in the inflammation reaction. They are used in inflammation reaction, or we can say that they are released at the site of injury. They are released at the site of injury. Histamine, they are specifically released by the mast cells. The mast cells release the histamine, and the histamine causes the vasodilation. So in the inflammation, if we see its role in the inflammation, there is three possibilities here. If we see in the inflammation, the part get red, the redness occurs, edema occurs, and there is vasodilation occurs at the site of injury. So redness means a red area appeared at the site of injury, and the edema means puffiness. Here vasodilation means that the blood vessels here dilates. The blood vessels dilate, and histamine have vasodilation role. So if we see here, example, this is the site of injury. This is the site of injury. Or we can say that in the question here, the insects bites. So here the blood flow, here the blood flow increases. Blood flow here increases, and because of the vasodilation, blood flow here increases. Now if we see what is the role of blood flow increased at the site of injury, because if the blood flow here increases, so that it can provide more WBC to fight against pathogens. The blood flow increases so that it provide more WBC. So more WBC is provided at the site of injury to protect against the pathogens. That's why histamine here is required for the vasodilation. Now the option also says dopamine. Here dopamine is a kind of neurotransmitter. It is a kind of neurotransmitter, and its role in generating the action potentials in the nerve cells. In the nerve cells, it is a neurotransmitter and its role in generating the action potential, not in the inflammation. So option 1 is not a correct option. Now if we see second option, it says histamine and brachydine. So histamine, we say that it have role in the inflammation. And now if we see the brachydine have brachydine, that is brachydikinin. Brachydikinin here, it is a potent molecule that released during the inflammation reaction. During inflammation reaction, it is a potent molecule released, and because of this bradykinin, the inflammation reaction further proceeds. The inflammation further proceeds because of this bradykinin, and it is a potent molecule for inflammation. So if we see that option second have both molecules that used in the inflammation. So option second is the correct option. Now if we see in the third option, it says interferons and the opsins. Here in the C option, we have given interferons and the opsins. Here interferons are the elements that released by virus infected cell. They are released by virus infected cells, the cells that are infected by virus, and to protect other cells from virus infection. So interferons have role in that they are released by a virus infected cells, and these virus infected cells release them to protect other cells from this virus infection. So no role in the inflammation. Now if we see the opsins, they are the elements that used in the opsonization reaction. They are used in a opsonization reaction. So the opsonization reaction in the opsins, it have no role in the inflammation. So third option is also not correct. If we see the option fourth, it says interferons and histone. Interferons, we see that they have role in the virus infection, not in the inflammation. Now if we see the histones here, histones are the proteins that take part in the DNA packaging. They have role in the DNA packaging, not in the inflammation. So option fourth is also not correct. So we see that option second have both chemicals for the inflammation itself, that is histamine and bradykinin. So histamine have role in the vasodilation, and this bradykinin also is used in inflammation. So option second is correct for the question given.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।